Choosing between a poly and a canvas tarp, the wrong choice can lead to damaged gear or a failed project. Let's break it down. First up, polyethylene, or Poly Tarps. They're lightweight, 100% waterproof, and very affordable. This makes them perfect for temporary covers like protecting a woodpile from a sudden rainstorm. But they aren't breathable, which can trap moisture and lead to mildew. They can also wear out under intense long-term sun exposure. Now for canvas tarps. These are heavy-duty and rugged. The key benefit? They're breathable. This prevents moisture buildup, making them ideal for covering equipment or anything that needs to breathe. However, they are water-resistant, not fully waterproof, are much heavier, and cost a bit more. So, what's the verdict? For a lightweight, waterproof, and budget-friendly temporary cover, go with Poly. For a durable, breathable, long-term solution, Canvas is your best bet. Get the perfect tarp for your project. Visit tarpsplus.com today.